In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone does not ring for incoming calls. These steps work on iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and 17 Air. First, open the control center and make sure focus mode is turned off. If focus is on, your iPhone will silence incoming calls automatically. Next, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, make sure the ringtone and alerts volume is set to maximum. If it's too low, you might not hear the ringtone at all. Also, make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Sometimes, if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or speakers, the sound might go there instead of the phone. After checking all these settings, try calling your iPhone again. It should ring normally now. And that's how you can fix your iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone 17 tutorials.